channel of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Passwords and Security. Then you need to choose Face Unlock and enter your current login method. When you're ready, choose Start, wait 5 seconds and choose Next in the pop-up. Now remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. After that, you can name your face data however you wish to and tap on Done. Over here, adjust all of those face unlock settings however you want to, click on Home button, and now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my POCO. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!